Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the YouTube channel of the same name, English Makes No Sense. My name is SL Rockfish, and today we're going to take a look at how to use the verb to be. We use it when talking about yourself and others, or when we're talking about ourselves or others. Yeah, for some of you, this may be a review. For some of you, it may be a refresher, or for others, it may be all new. You may need a piece of paper and pencil for this little lesson. So if you want, hit pause, go get some paper and pencil, and come right back. Okay? Let's go. Or you can go and come back. Here we go. The present simple tense of the verb to be. I am. You are. He, she, it is. We are. They are. So now what? Let's use them. Are you ready? I hope you are. When you want to talk about yourself and others, use the verb to be. I am 40 years old. We use the verb to be am. We don't say, like in Spanish, we say, I have 40 years. Nope, we say, I am 40 years old. Or you could say, I am 40. Am I 40? No, I almost wish I were, but I am not 40. You are amazing. Bill is happy to have a new job. Kathy is a nurse. We are practicing English. They are working at the hospital. We conjugated them. Am, are, is, are. Let's keep going. You are doing a great job. Here's some more practice. I am from the United States. Where are you from? Pablo is from Venezuela. He is Venezuelan. We are Americans. They are doctors. Oh, which one of these is different from where you come from? Right here, they are doctors. Here's we're talking about a profession. In the other sentences, we're talking about where you are from, what country you are from, or what is your nationality. You're talking about yourself or someone else's nationality or where they are from. The last one, we are talking about their profession. Either way, we use the verb to be. When you talk about your feelings and moods, we also use the verb to be. I told you there's a lot of verb to be today. I am happy. You are content. He is angry. She is depressed. We are joyful. They are satisfied. Now, I'm going to show you 3 words that mean much the same thing. They are synonyms. Happy, content, and satisfied. These are all different ways you can say things are going well. Don't say fine. Fine's a good word, but content or satisfied or happy are better. Okay? These are all feelings and moods. When you use the verb to be, when talking about your job. We did that on the other slide. I am a teacher. You are a banker. Or maybe you are something else. Henry is a lawyer. Susie is a dancer. We are doctors. They are mechanics. Okay? See how it looks. Read them over to yourself. Go ahead. When someone asks you, what do you do for a living? You can say, I am, and then you tell them what you are. Me, I am a teacher. Now, let's practice. You may need to use that paper and pencil. I am or is from France. You, happy. David, a doctor. Patty, 30 years old. We, teachers. Bill and Sue, working at the mall. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. I am from France. You are happy, I hope. David is a doctor. Patty is 30 years old. We are teachers. Bill and Sue are working at the mall. Remember, Bill and Sue are the plural, so it's another way of saying they. We could replace Bill and Sue with they, and they are working at the mall. Okay, how did you do? Did you get all 6 right? Did you get 5? 4? If you got 4 or less, maybe you should go review. Or stick around. We're going to try this one. Are you ready? Fill in the gaps. Bill and Sue shopping at the mall. What verb do you think it would be? What form of the verb to be? You from Venezuela. Paul, 50 years old. I from the United States. Paulette from France. She, French. How do you think you did? Are you ready? Whoop, here's the one more. We, upset. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do it. Take a look at them. What do you think you should go in there? Take a look. Write down what you think they are. Okay, you can pause if you want, if you need more time, but I'm going to go to the next one. Check your answers. Bill and Sue are shopping at the mall. You are from Venezuela. Paul is 50 years old. I am from the United States. Paulette is from France. She is French. We are upset. Okay, this time we had 7. How did you do? If you got 5 or less, you might want to review. But I bet you got all 7 of them correct. Okay? Check it out. Here we go. How did you do? Okay, here's where you get to show what you know. Try and create a sentence or two and leave it in the comments. Okay? Remember the verb to be in the simple present. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, they are. Why do we call it the verb to be when it just goes am, are, is? I do know, because it's all about the state of being and what we do. It's our verb of being. Hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for watching this video. And remember, try and create a sentence or two, leave it in the comments, or tell me what you would like to see. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe, friends. Peace.